Hi, my name is Mark Profit, and I'm the author of a system called Predictive Innovation, and I use that system to help leaders around the world solve the seemingly unsolvable problem of knowing the unknowns. This allows them to choose the best strategies for their organizations, strategies that maximize profits, minimize risk, and most importantly, are sustainable regardless of future developments. So, what makes predictive innovation different from other systems or approaches? Predictive innovation is based on first principles derived from the same mathematical proof that made digital computers possible. By combining those most basic first principles, you can accurately describe anything that can be made or done, even if the technology doesn't exist yet. A good analogy is the periodic table of elements you learned in basic chemistry. Every element is made up of basic components of protons, electrons, and neutrons. This allows you to know all the possible elements and their properties without ever examining the physical object. You can know the atomic weight, pH, the reactivity, if it's a metal or a gas, all from knowing the basic components. In fact, the periodic table accurately predicted elements, which helped lead to their discovery. Predictive innovation works the same way to describe the properties of anything that can be made or done, even if it hasn't been discovered yet. That predictive ability allows you to quickly and easily find and solve your biggest future challenges before they become challenges. So what is your biggest future challenge? Well, biggest challenges in the past were related to quantity, how to find more, do more, and go faster. The solution was processes, doing. But that was the past. It's increasingly obvious that doing more or going faster has become a losing strategy. Today, children have disposable toys with technology that would have been the envy of nations just 40 years ago, half a lifetime. Computers, lasers, cell phones, robots, all of these are commonplace. We live in a very different world than the past. And the world's changing faster and faster. Automation, globalization, and the internet changed the rules that worked in the past. Today, rules change almost as quickly as you can learn them. So process will not help you in this increasingly more rapid-paced, faster, higher stakes environment. Problems of the past were solved by processes, by doing. But the problems of the future will be solved by knowing, by thinking. But not the old way of thinking. You need a new way of thinking to succeed in the future. You need to think predictively. So what does that mean? Well, thinking predictively is fundamentally different from thinking faster or more. It's not a quantity thing. And the challenges of the future are not related to quantity, so the solution will not be processes or doing. That means you don't just need different solutions, but completely different types of solutions. Apples and oranges. So the challenges of the future are fundamentally different from the past. Again, that means we need a fundamentally different way of solving those challenges. To understand this, let's look at the difference between, say, a lot and all. If you had holes in the roof, did you fill a lot of the holes or did you fill all the holes? If you were building an engine, did you put a lot of parts in the engine or all of the parts? See, all is fundamentally different from a lot. Regardless of the amount, whether it's large or small, all is different from a lot. Similarly, there's a fundamental difference between one and many. One is unique, exclusive, distinct. Even if many is only two, it changes how that thing is used, how it's perceived. There's only one Mona Lisa. That painting is unique. And if there was some way to make exact duplicates, the duplicates would not hold the same meaning as the original first work of art. This is a fundamental difference. Apples and oranges. One of the drivers of this fundamental change we're experiencing are computers. Machines that think are fundamentally different from anything in the past. Machines in the past amplified human physical ability. Those machines allowed humans to physically do more faster. But thinking machines replace humans. That's not a difference in quantity. It's a difference in type, a fundamental change. Apples and oranges. Experience has long been the way we measure human value. More experience is more ability, right? Well, experience is only good if the new task is the same as the past. And this obviously isn't true anymore. But even if it were, machines are better at duplicating anything than humans. If the future can be projected or anticipated based on the past experience, then computers will always outperform humans. Computers-powered machines can do more, longer, faster, more reliably, and more accurately than humans. So humans must provide a different type of value. Fortunately, the solution already exists. The discovery that allowed machines to think also unlocks the human ability to think in a way that was previously seemed impossible. And this allows humans to collaborate with machines rather than compete. And this is the basis of predictive innovation, a fundamentally different way of thinking. So when you use predictive innovation, that allows you to find and solve your future challenges, your biggest future challenges, before they become challenges.